How to make a public profile on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. So let's begin right away. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Once you have done that, simply open your Snapchat app and then click on your profile found on the upper left corner of your screen. Once you're here, scroll down a little bit and look for Public Profile option. Right here, you may click on Create Public Profile. So click on Create Public Profile. You may read these, so show your name, build your public profile, and then get started. Click on Create and then wait for it to load. So once it is done loading, you may click on my public profile and then you may edit it right here by clicking on edit profile. So you may add your profile picture, you may add a bio, you may add your location, and then you may also show your subscriber count. So you may turn this on or off, whichever you want to. Let's say, for example, that you have added your profile picture, your bio, your location, and your subscriber count. You may click on preview and preview profile if you want to. So whenever you click preview profile, you may be able to see the sample of your profile. So right here, my name, my profile picture, the status, which is subscribed or not, and then scroll down and then they may be able to see your stories right here. So that's it. That's how you can make public profile on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.